Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Nano Banana has completely changed the landscape of AI filmmaking. One of the biggest limitations creators face was keeping characters, colors, and visual style consistent across scenes. With Google's new image editor, those problems disappear. You can take a single starting frame and expand it into an entire cinematic story that looks unified, polished, and intentional. But here's the important part: if you're not using Nano Banana correctly, you're missing out on what this tool is truly capable of. So today I'm walking you step by step through my complete workflow, from generating your first image to building story beats to animating each shot. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a full short film without spending anything. So after hours of experimenting with Nano Banana, I'm excited to show you how to integrate it into your creative process. Let's jump in. So every AI film you make begins with a single starting image. This one frame dictates the overall tone, the color palette, the character design, and the visual style of the entire project. Now, Nano Banana uses this frame as the anchor point to maintain consistency throughout your shots. So you can use any generator you like for this, like Midjourney, ChatGPT Image, Gemini, whatever. So ChatGPT is my personal favorite because its image generation is completely free and extremely solid, but you can use Midjourney, or whatever you prefer. What's important is this: your image should clearly show your character, your environment, your lighting style, and the emotional tone. Once you lock that in, the rest of the process becomes much easier. So now let's write a simple story beat script. So before you generate anything else, write your story beats. Don't overthink it. Your script doesn't need to be complex. I like to write number beats with one beats per shot. So for the film I made in this example, my beats look like this. So I have here prompt sequence from 1 to 12. So first one is wide establishing shot of the deep rainforest interior. Rocky steps into frame, pushing aside ferns as filtered golden light flickers through the canopy. He pauses, scanning the shadowed undergrowth, his breath slow and controlled. A faint pulse of light flickers behind thick roots like a heartbeat. Close up, the glowing pulse reflects in Rocky's deep set eyes, etc. etc. So it's simple, clear, and fun. All of it was inspired by that one starting image. So once your beats are written, you're ready to turn them into visuals. So next, let's turn story beats into frames with Nano Banana. So let's go to AI, click on Direct Chat, and choose Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview Nano Banana, and upload your starting image. So Nano Banana will use it as the base reference for every generation. So paste your first story beat into the prompt box. Let's go back to ChatGPT, copy and paste it into Marina. Nano Banana will generate a still frame that fits your story while keeping your character and the visual style consistent. So repeat this for every beat until you have a full set of 10 to 15 frames. So that's your entire storyboard. Now, a trick here: if you use Gemini to generate images, it adds a watermark. But you can upload that image into Marina and ask Nano Banana to remove the watermark. So perfectly clean and completely free. Nano Banana is excellent at preserving your character's face, keeping outfits and prompts consistent, matching lighting and shadows, maintaining the tone of your original frame, generating cinematic angles automatically. So within minutes, you'll have a full sequence of images ready for animation. So check this out. Looks amazing. Now it's time to bring everything to life. So I use a mix of tools like Kling and Hailuo AI and VO3. VO3 created about 90% of the final shots, but it took a trial and error. Some animations turned out beautiful, others were weird or inconsistent. That's the reality of AI filmmaking in 2025. You experiment, refine, and retry until you get the perfect shot. Now, if you want to animate without paying anything, you can join LM Arena Discord. So go to Video Arena 1, type slash image to video, upload a frame, and add your prompt. So you'll get two animation outputs from random AI video models. The community votes on which result is better. You can do 8 free animations per day, which is more than enough to build a short film over a few days. So it's totally free. You can try it out and you make the entire project 100% free if you want to. AI video tools are powerful, but they still struggle with keeping clothing consistent, keeping faces identical from every angle, following exact prompts, and maintaining continuity shot to shot. So it may take multiple attempts to get the perfect animation, but don't get frustrated, this is normal. Even in my workflow, some generations were incredible, while others were unusable. So AI can generate visuals, but you bring the film to life. So editing is where everything comes together. You can add film grain, you can add color grading, ambient sound, footsteps, impacts, movement. You can add music that fits the tone, smart spacing. So for some effects and music, you can use Pixabay or YouTube audio library. So everything there is royalty free and safe for YouTube. Now these finishing touches transform your AI footage from AI generated video into a real cinematic moment. Nano Banana opens the door to fast, consistent, and visually stunning AI filmmaking, but the most important part of the process isn't the AI, it's you. Your ideas, your pacing, your editing, your sound design, your creative decisions. So AI can't replace that, it can only amplify it. If you keep experimenting, stay patient through the trial and error, and continue refining your workflows, you'll create films that genuinely feel cinematic without needing expensive tools or big budgets. So, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Are you tired of creating content that just blends into the background? What if you could freeze your viewers in their tracks and hold their attention for minutes instead of seconds? Introducing Freezer, the AI video creator built to make viral storytelling videos for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and more. Freezer handles everything from idea generation to script writing, visuals, voiceover, music, and editing. No hours of tedious work, no expensive software or big crews. Just pick your topic, hit go, and you have a ready to upload video. Whether you're a creator, business owner, or marketer, you can repurpose any story, even from Reddit, into a high impact video. Create short form, long form, any language, any niche. Want to sell products, build your brand, or monetize your channel? Freezer gives you the tools to do it. Imagine your product, your service, your story reaching thousands, tens of thousands, even millions. It's not just a dream, it's what Fraser is built for. So, what are you waiting for? Get Fraser now. Just go to getfraser.in.